So hey guys, in this video we will discuss about our reactivity series. हमें किसी भी रिएक्शन को सॉल्व करने से पहले लाइक डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन एंड डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, किसी भी रिएक्शन को सॉल्व करने से पहले हमें उसकी रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज़ के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा एलिमेंट मोर रिएक्टिव है और कौन सा एलिमेंट लेस रिएक्टिव है. नाउ वी विल सी our most reactive element and the less reactive element. Our most reactive element will be the potassium and the symbol of potassium will be K, and our least reactive element will be the platinum and the symbol of the platinum will be Pt. Now we will recall our reactivity series, that the most reactive elements and their decreasing order. First of all, first will be the potassium, second will be the sodium and the symbol of the sodium will be Na, and the third will be the calcium, the symbol of the calcium will be Ca, and the fourth will be the magnesium and the symbol of the magnesium will be Mg, and the fifth will be the aluminium and the symbol of the aluminium will be Al, and the sixth will be the zinc and the symbol of zinc will be the Zn, and the seventh will be the iron and the symbol of iron will be Fe, and then lead and the symbol of lead will be the Pb, and then hydrogen and the symbol of the hydrogen will be H, copper, symbol of copper will be Cu, silver, silver of symbol will be Ag, gold, symbol of gold will be Au, and platinum, that you know it is the most reactive element, least reactive element, and the symbol of the platinum will be Pg.